trying to fix the error in your Cliniko invoice stating the invoice total is less than allocated payments. If the invoice in question has already been paid, unfortunately, you cannot edit the invoice to reflect a lower amount than what was originally paid for. To resolve this issue, you will need to adjust the payment amount before making changes to the invoice. As an admin or power receptionist, start by heading to the payment linked to the invoice. Click Edit and scroll down to the Apply to Invoices section. You will notice that the full payment is currently applied to the invoice. Edit this amount so that only the correct lower amount is allocated to the invoice. The remaining portion of the payment will be designated as account credit. Save your changes, and now you'll be able to edit or adjust your invoice without encountering the error message, invoice total is less than allocated payments. Of course, reach out if you have any additional questions.